Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you create password protected presentation in MS PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Open PowerPoint on your computer. Now select whatever presentation you want to protect with password. I will go with this one. Now click over here on File on top left corner. Now scroll down and click on Info. Okay. Now click on Protect Presentation right over here and select Encrypt with Password. Over here, type your password, click on OK. Again, type your password. Again, click on OK. Now, click on Save As. Enter the file name over here. And select the file destination. Okay, now click on Save. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add password to your presentation. Thank you very much.